In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a new chat in Microsoft Copilot. So if you have a conversation that you had made previously and you want to start a whole new chat in Microsoft Copilot, all you need to do is to come here. You just need to go and click on the plus icon and then select the option Start a New Chat. Click on this and this will bring you a whole new window where you can start your conversation. You can type in your question and ask Microsoft Copilot any question. And the question will be answered, or will get a conversation or your response on a new page. If you want to go to your previous history of the other conversations in Microsoft Copilot, all you need to do is to click on this Go Home button. And as you can see, the icon here has changed to history. And you can click on View History to see all your previous conversation. And as you can see them, they are all here. Click on any of them to open. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.